The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
Many hardships?
Oh yeah, a lot of them. Oh yeah, man. I've lost thousands of dollars, man. Thousands. I've lost thousands of dollars on deals, on properties, with contractors, with people that say they're gonna do something for you. You front them money. Like if you go and look at my past YouTube videos, I have a lot of YouTube videos on my old channel where I go into detail on experiences where I've lost so much money with people that I trusted, with people that, I expected them to uphold their word and to do what they said they would do, and they didn't. So yeah, you know what, but if I focus in on all the mistakes and all the losses I've had, I probably give up, because it's been a lot, like thousands of dollars, not a little bit, thousands of dollars. Like I could have bought like a freaking, with the amount of money I've lost, man, I could have bought an exotic car. An exotic car is like hundreds of thousands of dollars. Like I've lost so much money in real estate, but I've also learned from those mistakes. I've learned. So now, I learned. So I'm not going to make those mistakes. And that's why I think finding a mentor is important, because you can learn from their mistakes. If the mentor is willing to go into detail on their mistakes and the things they've done, they're a good mentor. It's somebody that's going to help you cut a lot of time out and effort in you accomplishing certain things. So definitely, man, use a mentor. Use and learn from their experiences.
Yeah, it's pretty important to have that somebody to kind of guide you through. And even with the mistakes that you make, that's the only way you learn. You don't learn from, your success, because at the end of the day, you did something right. Your brain's going to be like, hey, we did it right. You don't learn, like, you're not going to think about it twice, like a mistake. You think about it like a couple of times, like what went south, like what did I mess up, or who, like you trust the wrong people or something like that. Like there's going to be like that. Everything's like that. You got to make sure you really dive in depth with certain people, I guess, too. But that's life. There's people that, can't be trusted with certain things, especially with money. There's a lot of greedy people out there. You can get ripped off in certain things, but
That's the truth.
That's just part of the game.